This is a very useful taping if you've got tennis elbow, which can be a very painful condition. First of all, the elbow should be at around 45 degrees elbow flexion, as we have in this video. First of all, you place the Hyperfix tape down, which protects the skin from the zinc oxide tape, which is a strong sports tape that we're going to use now to offload the tendon and the muscle. To offload the tendon, we start by placing one end of a piece of tape, and this is the zinc oxide tape, onto the medial aspect of the elbow, and then just bring the tape back and just lay it down back on itself. It won't stick because it's the non-sticky side. Then place another zinc oxide piece on top of your first piece using a technique, a 50-50 technique. So you're just overlapping the tape about 50%, and then you just place one side of the tape down, and then using the other side, you need to make sure that you get some creases in the skin. Obviously your thumb will get a bit stuck, but you can just leave it there. And then what that does is it offloads the tendon really nicely, making sure it's nice and secure. And you can see the pull of the skin, which indicates that we should get some offload of the tendon, which will help with the pain. It's important that following the application of the tape, that the pain improves with things like gripping, and then hopefully that will give you some significant pain relief. It can be very useful. Obviously, if you get any irritation from the tape on the skin, you must take it off immediately.